Hi friends! Hi YouTube community! My name is Leila Ventura. My channel name is Leila Ventura and I am doing this video for my channel resetting. I am going to do some changes to my channel as lately I have received a notice from YouTube that I have a policy violation, that I did not do well with my channel. So in this manner I will be more careful in uploading my videos and in the manner of how I upload in my description, and I make sure to be direct, and so I will not be receiving the same violation in the future, and I will be following the community standards of the YouTube YPP program. So in doing so, this is also going to help other YouTubers to be more careful in their channel uploading, in the manner on which they are taking care of their channel, and so we won't be receiving the same violation again in the future. Thank you.